Oh yeah, come on in. Don't be shy, don't stall. We got a funky vibe, yeah. Welcome all. It's a safe spot where the truth combines. Share your thoughts, leave your worries behind. Woo! Defense Fest, that's where you belong. Click that like and groove along. Hit subscribe, let the love flow free. Join the fam where you're meant to be. Ooh, got mysteries, stories that feeling right. We dig deep, ain't no secrets to hide. No judgment here, just an open crew. We're all about justice and the honest view. Yeah, Defense Fest, that's where you belong. Click that like and groove along. Hit subscribe, let the love flow free. Join the fam where you're meant to be.
Thank you, Judge. According to my list, we're on CC. Is that what you show as well?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can you set up CC for us? The call we just heard, we had, I don't know, it appeared the FBI made Katie mad.
Yes.
Remember that call?
Yes, that was Katie and Charlie talking.
And Charlie was supposed to go back to Donna to find out if the number was on the device at the office.
Correct. If the caller ID showed up and what it read. So CC is on the same day, Charlie to Donna at 10:50, which is about just a couple minutes after, a minute or two after the last call.
All right, let's publish CC, please.
Hey, Mom, do me a favor. Does Eric have a call ID at the office? Yes. There is no call ID? No. Is there a way of looking up what number it was at call? How do we get that call ID in the office? You did. You're going to stop looking so you can stop it. I'm not working properly. Okay, if that number is not working, I'm going to have someone try to call again and find out maybe it's working. Okay. All right, I'll call you soon. I'll call you in a minute. Okay.
Okay, I'm sorry, DD, please.
Yeah. Okay. There is no caller ID at the office. Call the fucking number ID the other day. I know it was not working the other day when you called. Call it again.
It was very important, and I told you what's the number. Okay?
Exactly. So call it again.
I'm going to give you a fucking wrong number. You're going to have an email fucking number. I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you. I'm not fucking honest. I'm standing outside the fucking street. Okay?
Call that number.
Whatever it is, it's either somebody's fucking with your family, fucking with my family, fucking setting somebody else. Okay? I don't know what you're fucking saying. And you know what? You're thinking. You're not thinking. You're not thinking.
That's what you want to do.
You want to call my fucking phone?
What's that?
You want to call my fucking phone?
I don't care where you call them. I'm just saying.
Oh my God, bro.
Call saying it.
I don't have to be called 100 times.
Okay. Over.
If you don't, you go ahead. No. You go ahead and you fucking buy a fucking phone and you call. And find out what the fuck's going on. If they pick up. No, they're obviously not. It's not a working number. You find another phone and you go call. Whoever set up this bullshit is, if somebody's trying to pay for fucking some shit and just fucking going on me, or whatever.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, well, I just not going to be listening to whatever conversation they want. I'll call from the office and then from there, I'll call you.
All right, let me know then.
Okay, that's the only.
Okay, what's next?
Next is EE. I'm sorry. E1.
No, I think we have EE still.
Okay. EE's Charlie back to Katie again, 37 seconds. 11:17 a.m.
Ms. Adelson, if you need your amplification device or your headphones, please wear them. It's very important that you are able to follow all of the evidence as it takes place during the trial.
Okay. I'm going to start 6-7 and see if it does that. And see what it is. Okay, you haven't heard anything from my office, have you?
Sorry?
You haven't heard anything from my office.
Well, obviously, we're on the page.
Okay, let me do that. See where we go.
Okay, now we go to EE1. Is this the same day?
It is the same day. It's like 1 minute after that phone call we just heard.
It starts to start.
Take the number there that says, is it 712-6570? Okay, what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to call them and start 67 my number. Okay. And I'm going to, I have a, this is where I have a strong feeling what I think it is. Okay. I think it may be either some private investigator, or I think it's the FBI, or somebody just trying to fish around and sort of stir a pot and see what comes out of it. Because the thing is this, it's not done like this. It's not. I mean, you gotta understand, like, I think it's someone playing games because you gotta understand it's not done like this. Listen, you've done absolutely nothing wrong. I've done absolutely nothing wrong. And I think it's someone that may think they know something. So since they think they know something, they're trying to stir the pot. So it's somebody really stupid because we don't have any information for it. If I did, I would want my reward. So I don't know anything. The fact that you're being extorted, sometimes people react differently to different things. Some people are extorted and they're like, it's like agents, it's extorted all the time. They're like, give me my money back, reward entry. Well, I've done nothing wrong, but if I do reward entry, it's a bigger fucking headache than anything else. So even though I'm 1,000% right in the entry I do, in the work that I do, I don't deal with reward entry. I don't want to walk in there and have them say, you need to tell me, yeah, that's why I was fucking events yesterday about it. So that's what I think that's what not. I don't think it's somebody who thinks that they're like to try to solve this case and think it's with a family and get something somehow to do with it. So they just look at it and be like, and make some demand and see how we react. We'll be like, oh, we didn't demand, they did react. It's just very odd. It's just we've had nothing to do with it. I don't know who that guy is. Actually, you guys have no idea who the hell it is. And if you have a newspaper and you see a last name, the old days, you have the old days, you have there's no way looking anything up unless you go to the CIA. Nowadays, the whole guy with a cell phone could go on the World Wide Web, put your name in, and 3 seconds has addresses, addresses, locations, and then for $19 you can find anything. So, that's the thing. It's like, me, my house is not listed. So if you went that search route, you would find it. But that's like, the other day, so it's even harder is that they're not bugging money. Because that's the first person I do it. I mean, and that's the weird thing that they're not bugging her. I know that's why I just kind of like, I don't want to have a headache, like, just because you don't want to trade one set of non-test or the other set of non-test. So, but you also don't want to have someone not being in order every week. Exactly. That's why that's not working out. So, but I think I'm just gonna call them up and because they want they're not working number. Well, that's why I don't see it's not working. They're not working every day. So let me see what they want. I don't think let me see what's going on. That was worth it. Okay. Let me talk to you. Do you want me to check the number there and bring back? No, check the bird and call me back. I'll just text you back. No, just call me back. Okay.
All right. Does Charlie call the undercover?
Yes, he does.
Okay.
He does.
On what date? This is the first call to the undercover, right?
This is the first call to the undercover on 4/28 of 16.
Please publish FF.
Hello, who's it? Who's it? Someone from my family trying to figure out who's it. Well, okay, introduce to what now? Someone that has call? Yeah, that's you now. What's going on? Well, what's going on is my brother's Tato. Okay, my brother's Tato has not been taken care of. His family's not been taken care of. I talked to the family Tato. Why you told me? Who are you? I gave him no to a lady. I don't know Tato. You know Tato? I'm not even Katie. They do that. They've been taken care of since the family's father was taken care of as well. I don't know. I lost. You don't? Well, that's one way, my friend. Because let me tell you something. I was driving to Tato, and he told me the whole story. He told me, wasn't taking care of him, wasn't taking care of his family. The family was taking care of Katie and people, and nothing was taking care of Tato. So we know what's going on. And that's what he's taking care of. He do the right thing. The lady over here, paperwork, she knows what I'm talking about. We know Katie, we know people, we know he's taking care of. No more fucking around, man. No more fucking around. If they go away, that's what you guys need to do the right thing for Tato. That's my brother, man. That's my brother, and he needs to be taken care of. His family needs to be taken care of. Because he and people are taken care of. I know that is what I'm talking about. Okay. That's bullshit, man. You know exactly what I'm talking about. You know this lady. I don't know your relationship with the lady, but we know what's going on. Take care of that. Take care of people, man.
All right. So in that call, or just prior to that call, did Charlie Adelson hit *67 and never camouflage his number?
He did.
All right. And then when he hangs up from the undercover, who's the first person he calls?
Katherine Magbanis.
How many calls does he make to her?
At least 3, as I recall.
All right. And does she eventually call back?
She does.
Is that our call GG?
It is. Yes, ma'am.
Publish GG, please.
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on a second.
Yeah.
Give me 2 minutes.
Well,
Hang on a second. I called the number. It rang like 7 or 8 times, and then somebody picked up. And it sounded like he goes, who is this? And I said, I'm returning the call. And he said, what is this in reference to? So the guy that called my office this morning said, what is Simon? So I said, someone by the name of Simon, placed a call this morning. And I go, what's it about? He's like, who are you? I go, that's not important. What do you need? You there?
yeah.
So I said, it's not important who I am. I said, what can I do to help you out? So and he said, listen, man. He's like, Tuco, whatever the fucking name is. He's like, someone did a really big favor for you, and was there for you, and we know, I'm Tuco's brother, and I was with him in Broward. So I don't know if that's Broward or whatever. He's like, I was with him down in Broward, and he hasn't been taken care of. His family hasn't been taken care of. He's like, it's fucking bullshit. He's like, hey, have you something to talk? Have you talking hearing a little bit of New York accent?
Mhm.
As he's trying to, he picked up the phone. He didn't sound like a tough guy when he picked up the phone. But it was like, as he was talking to me, like the tough guy routine sounded like it was coming out. So he's like, listen, I know you guys took care of, you're taking care of Katie and Tuco, and you're taking care of their family. Now he needs to be taken care of. And I was looking at Broward, and he's done a big favor for you, and I go, sir. I go, I don't know. He goes, I know you've been giving money to Katie and Tuco to take care of their family. I go, no money's been given. I said, I don't even know who these people are, and I don't know what you're talking about. And he was like, who are you? I'm like, listen, it's not important. I said, I don't know what you're talking about. No one's paying anybody.
Mhm.
And he said, well, listen, man, it's just not fucking going away. You gotta fucking do the right thing. It's not going away.
I'll be saying bad word.
What's that?
I'll be saying bad word.
He made it that. Then he made it close. But he left it. He made it up the shit or whatever it is. And it's not going away. And you need to help Tuco's family, whatever his name is, family out the way you're helping out Katie and Tuco. And I go, nobody, I don't know who you're talking about. And I don't know what I can do for you. I said, he goes, no, he goes, well, it's not going away. And then he says, do the right thing. You gotta help him out. Which,
You should be like, who are you? Number one.
he told me he's obviously not going to get his real name. And I was being really polite. I said, hold on a second. You got to give me 2 minutes, I'll be right there. I was being really polite.
Because he's a brother from Broward.
No, he said, I know him from Broward. Or I saw him down in Broward.
Mhm.
So I don't know if like this guy they're talking about was incarcerated in Broward, or old Broward, or whatever. The guy referenced Broward.
Mhm.
He referenced TV and
So
Tuco.
the same name again.
Yeah, so your name and some other guy's name I already talked about.
Mhm.
So these things we're talking about Tuco, which I don't fucking know who that is. That's 2 people I don't know. And he's talking about your family, saying your family's being helped out, which I don't fucking know. Other than that, hours I give you to go up in the office on the weekend and take care of
Right,
it.
exactly.
But that's, I don't help you out. You fucking earn money on the weekend when you go up.
And it's the 310 home, the 305.
Yep. And he left.
And it ran a long time.
I want to say it was like on 7 or 8 ring that picked up. And he
It's a
left.
long time because you
Yeah,
did
yeah,
a football holler.
That was almost like, and he was asking me, like, who is he? He was looking at me, that paper was with me. He goes, who are you? I go, we're not. I go, I'm trying to find out what's going on.
Mhm.
So, this person's on the assumption.
So you said they're all friends in Broward, and you said they were brothers from Broward.
He said he was this guy who said that's for my office incarcerated. He's wrong. And he's saying that he's not been paid, and his family's not been taken care of, and this is not going away. And like, I mean, I don't know, I'll just be fair to this. Like, you don't
Yeah, but you could be like having everything to friend you and making names, right?
He sounded like he didn't sound Latin, and he sounded like there's a weird New York accent that is tough.
Mhm. But like,
So-
okay.
Yeah, it wasn't friendly at all. It's not friendly at all. He's letting you know this is not going away, and he's like, you take care of him, you do the right thing. He was there for you. And I don't know. He was like, I don't know who this person is. I said, but I said, let me call you back later. That's all I was myself. I said, sir, I don't know who the guys you're talking about. But let me give you a call back later, okay? He said, okay, do the right thing.
You do the right thing.
Do the right thing. You sound like a fucking competition, that's what investigator or someone playing games. But I don't, he's coming up with a lot of fucking details. I don't know the details here. I don't know who the people's names are talking about. And you may be all shaking that feeling more than us.
Exactly. Just one little quick recap, just because I don't want to say, like, how does it make a conversation like?
His friend, he goes, who is it? He goes, hello. I go, hi. He goes, who is it? And I go, I'm returning a phone call. And he goes, what is this in reference to?
That's the exact word.
Yep, what is this in reference to?
Reference. So I'm I should be the word.
Yeah, no, well, still thinking about that. He says, what is this in reference to? So I said, I'm returning the call to Simon. I'm returning the message to Simon that left this morning.
That was the name, Simon.
The other name, he called up my office, looked at everything, and said, listen, I gave a piece of paper to Mrs. Adelson last week with a number on it. Tell her to call it. It was Simon. So I said, okay. I said, I'm returning the message to Simon. So then he knew that his reference was fucking nonsense.
Mhm.
So I said, I told him, I said, I know that your family,
Yeah.
money. He kept referencing that. We're giving all this money to a fucking family. Like, and referencing, I'm assuming just Tuco and Tuco or whatever.
Yeah.
Supposedly I'm giving money to you and someone who, and family. I don't know these people. None of that. So,
And
you know,
he's like his brother to the person that he thinks is incarcerated.
yeah, he's saying his brother is incarcerated.
And he thinks from Broward.
He said he referenced something that was within Broward.
Oh, what's in Broward?
So I don't know if he's incarcerated in Broward County, he's from Broward, I don't know who the people are.
Right. Okay, no, that's definitely him.
And their family, and so I don't know who to do with the rest of it, but they're just making up names,
Yeah.
or I could push it to the FBI and say, no, let's play from that.
Exactly.
So,
Yeah.
I don't, you know what I'm saying?
Because they're like, well, you're doing all this, number one. I don't know what the fuck you're talking about.
So he never said he was a murderer, and he was, I just wanted to keep talking.
Uh-huh.
That's why I
Because
wanted.
you got a feeling of who the person is.
Yeah, if you wasn't like, things wanted to know who I was, I really kind of worked.
Yeah.
Then when he left it, he goes, I need the money, he has nothing paid, his family hasn't paid, it's fucking ball, and it's really long, he goes, you're just ain't going away. He's like, do the right thing, take care of him, he helps you out. I'm like, I don't know. So I don't know.
You have to what? Like, what does that mean?
But you know,
It's like you run across so many people every day.
because in 2 seconds, we read something in the newspaper, and you Google the last name, and in 3 minutes, the homeless man today has technology to know where you live, where you work.
Okay, yes, there's another one again. I was in the about. Okay, let me find out what the fuck is referencing all this.
Well,
So I will find out.
they're picking it up. Whether you want to follow it or you know, find it, it's just tell someone like stop the shit.
305, 12, 55, 8, correct?
65, yeah, 35, 12, 65, 70. If you know that I'm not, it's fucking super good. Like, I'm not paying attention to anything you did.
Yeah, no, I don't know.
The only thing I want to do is let her look from the FBI.
Of course, no. I want these people to go. I want these people to wake up for like freaking like right.
You don't have vacation, I can get it that much?
Exactly. Okay, let me go on.
I'll do it. Follow it.
Okay.
Who is the first person Magbanis contacts after this call with Charlie Adelson?
Sigfredo Garcia.
Is this the first time? I know that the undercover said Broward to Donna Adelson on the phone, right?
That's correct.
But is this the first time we're hearing the word Broward on the wire?
It is, and specifically to Katie.
And Luis Rivera was housed in Broward, right?
He was
A
correct.
fact that would have been known by Katherine Magbanis.
That's correct. Her and Sigfredo both would have known that.
Right? And Charlie Adelson says the word Tuto on this call, right?
He does.
Tuto, we've learned throughout the course of this trial, is a nickname for Sigfredo Garcia.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any evidence that Charlie did know who Tuto was before this call?
Yes, ma'am, there was.
Okay, so he had referenced Tuto in the text messages before,
There were text messages where he referenced him. Yes,
knowing
I
that
am.
that was Katherine Magbanis' child's father.
That's correct.
Let's go to HH. Is that a text message?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell us about that text.
It's a text from Katie to Katherine Magbanis to Sigfredo Garcia, and it's at 12:57, which is right a couple minutes after she hung up with Mr. Adelson.
All right, what does the text say?
It says, "Baby, call me when you can."
Does she wait for him to call her when he can?
No, she doesn't.
Does she make a phone call, I?
Yes, she did.
Okay, and is able to get him?
Correct.
All right, let's play I, please.
There's like a meeting outside. I guess they have meetings on Thursday, and then I have my own meeting in a conference room. Oh yeah. Okay. I have more information for you. And when I got home this morning, like I couldn't even take it. Then I had to step on my knee to like heard about it, and I was like, because I got to call back. So hold on, give me 1 second. Oh my gosh, come on. I was gonna tell you. Okay, so this person contacted me. Whatever. So these are the same assignment. Okay. Contacted the office saying, oh whatever, I'm gonna give a paper to this person. They're obviously doing their whatever they're doing, they're running, and like they're very very close to reporting already. Whatever it is, getting pissed because my name's involved. And it gets better. So I'm like, you know what, just tell me everything on right now because I don't have time. I'm fucking working, like, what is it? Like, I want to handle this and I want to handle this every night. So, it's okay about office. I was like, look, I tried to contact the number, it's another number. They're like, I was like, why don't you go ahead and start to decide and go call a freaking number. And then, whatever, that person did it. They go, okay, I'm returning a phone call. And the person goes, who are you? And they're like, it doesn't matter. I'm returning a phone call regarding something else or whatever. And they're like, okay, well, we know you've been helping now. They got my name and your name. And I, yeah, you know what I mean? So you can help me now. And he's like, I don't know what they're talking about. I don't even know. I don't even know if you're the right person to talk about. Probably not. You could be another TV or whatever. And I was like, okay. What else is it? They're like, oh, well, they're a brother of the other person that's supposed to be incarcerated. And they're brother of them. And they know him from Broward. I don't know if they were together in Broward and he got out or whatever the case was. He's like, but this time you need help. Do the right thing. Like, he's like, we know for a fact that you're helping out there. Like, helping you out. I work for you before. Like, that's it. But I'm definitely going to be working for you. And I was like, I don't know what they're talking about. So they said, like, his name is supposed to be Simon. They're a brother of the person that is incarcerated, and they said that name. And I was like, no, this needs to stop. Like, this needs to stop. Because somebody's harassing me, somebody's harassing your family, and they're putting my name and then I'm and that's what the person's name. It's getting too detailed. It's somebody that, for sure.
Yeah.
For sure. He said that the person had, like, he's trying to get us to talk more. He's like, the person had, like, kind of maybe a new harassment. Some of the words was a little bit, like, he wasn't threatening at all. he was just saying, you need, it's time for you to help out this person and their family, because he needs it, because we know that he's.
What person, what family? What person, what family?
That and his family, because they need it. And then before, and he goes, I know somebody talking about, and the person goes, well, do the right thing.
You don't listen, you got to ask me what's the house.
That's what I said, I was like, why did you think that? Oh, no, this is not gonna end. Do the right thing.
I just need information. Where you want to do it? I don't know, just give me all numbers.
No, 305 712 6570. Take it up. Should I get tired? I don't know what time you want to.
712 6570.
No. 305 712 6570.
That's all right.
Well, this is inside. This obviously no money. They're putting money, they're putting it, and they're all that money. Okay? Okay. Are you all right now?
712 6760.
No.
Specifically, right? That's good.
712 6570.
That's fine.
So here we've got Sigfredo Garcia, the shooter, suggesting calling the cops. Anybody do it?
No, they did not.
Okay. What happens next?
Sigfredo calls Katherine back at 1:46. Actually, there was a hang-up call to the undercover, I believe.
I think
Nope,
that's
sorry.
after KK.
That was, sorry, I got my time mixed up.
All right, so just,
JJ.
just about 20 minutes later, we get another call between Garcia and Magbanis.
That's correct.
All right,
It's at 1:46 p.m.
Okay, publish JJ, please.
I'm going to talk to my phone, but I'm going to get my phone. So I got to talk to my office.
No, but like, or block it. Don't come out of the office, you know what I mean? Don't look in the phone.
No, I'm not talking to my office, I'm talking to my phone. So no, I'm trying to take on the possible.
No, but that's what you're doing. You're talking, you're like, who's the done?
What?
My work, sure.
Oh,
Okay.
All right, then do we have another call between the two of them at 2:09 p.m. that same day?
That's correct. One more call.
Publish KK, please.
So, 712-6570, you sure I don't know, right? 712-6570.
Yeah.
So I'm talking Puerto Rican, national security, I don't know what, I'm not calling that. Well, I'm just talking, I'm calling, real quick for the first phone. This is a local, right?
Remember that other one? You did that one?
No, it's not talking, the message, so like I need to read it.
Yeah.
You know, approval, I'm busy, I'm actually, she called me back. Like what?
That's what I'm said.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying, I swear to God.
Shut up.
Swear to God, I'm puto, I'm busy, ya me mata, I got that, dale. Like, what the fuck is I doing? You stupid, are you some kind of fucking hell?
That's what they told you?
No, that's what the answer machine said when you call the number. Don't answer the phone.
Okay, that's weird.
That's odd. That's what I said.
Very. Okay.
Oh, you fucking, that's stupid. That's the number. First time you have two questions, I'm going to say that.
Okay.
That's
That's
what
what I'm doing.
I'm going for you.
Mm-hmm.
You know, Rico.
Probably.
But you'll find them. How they from?
No, but I'm saying, you said that.
No, it is not.
It's
And
like,
it's not like, hold on.
All right, so we do have one hang-up call to the undercover around this time, right?
We do.
Okay, and did the person leave a message?
No, he did not.
Was it a known number that called?
No, it was not.
786 number?
Correct.
All right, and then we have the next contact here, LL, between Charlie Adelson and Katherine Magbanis. Is that same day? All
That's correct. Same day at 4:58 p.m.
right, please publish LL.
hello?
Yeah, here.
Hold on. Hold on, there's 2 seconds. Let me just log on. Thank you. Okay. So we're the model number, right? And like I'm machine, there's something behind the machine now, like what the fuck? Like some girl that was talking on that machine and said following reason. Like
Yes, sir. She knows so too.
no. Like they go.
Then like, what are you talking about?
And then I answered the machine, I was like, I don't know, like, because I can't really remember, like, I had to find out for me, you know? And it was like, they said, I don't know if they said their name was whatever that, the people or something, whatever, just they said on answer machine. All of a sudden, now I have an answer machine. Like a voice, you know what I mean?
What's the voice say?
Yeah, like, I don't know, let me find this one out. So he's like, I can't, like, he calls at work, and then I think
Yeah.
it's fine.
Call, when you call with a call block.
Huh? Yeah.
You call,
Yeah, it doesn't matter. It's no matter what phone you're using, it's still short, you know?
well, it doesn't show who's calling.
I know it's not a call.
Right.
Not a phone.
It's R67. So I did that, right 7 times. I'm gonna run it. Without power off, like it's a minute, I can go without power off. Yeah. Okay.
I don't even know, it's like fucking lady, it's fuck out the way, to get out.
Yeah, I would do this. I would, you just call again later.
You know what, when I'm trying to I'm gonna call a very fucking blind phone, and fucking leaving a message on every fucking phone. So every phone. Okay, game? Okay, game.
But it's really fucking about the lady. They
It's
picked up my stuff
for you.
and they called. And I mean, the only thought that I had is just that one thing. Maybe you could find out, or I'm gonna wait a couple days, and then I may call the person back. The person was, when he answered the phone first, they weren't that, yeah, and I could start talking to you, started talking more talk, but it was more like, I could hear what they had said in there. And it
Yeah,
sounded like that.
the voicemail finds the order. I gotta find out what's going on. I'm gonna call somebody on the phone, because I don't want my phone, because you know, I really phone for work.
Right. And the thing is,
It's like, so it's crack on me.
but one thing is either maybe that person wants to someone and talk to them about what their issue is, or I want to ask them.
No, they're gonna have an issue, because, you know, people bringing people filling on me.
They're saying I'm helping a kid, or not me, but my family's helping a kid and her family, and some other guy that's maybe able to see, and I've never met them, never met these people. He goes, well, you know, the family has been, and they've been helping her and her family, and this other.
You haven't met, but then they're, like, he makes no sense.
But he's like, he asked me who I was, and I was like, this. So I was almost, in hindsight, what I should have said is, who, because I have a big, because this is a big family, there's lots of cousins.
Yeah.
Who in my, the Adelson family is a big family. So what I should have said to the guys, who in my family, who in the Adelson family, owed somebody money, even to me.
Yeah.
Wanted me, and then I would go to that person in that family and say, who did you not pay? I wanted the name, I wanted the name. The only thing that keeps throwing out is that the Adelson family is helping out Katie and some guy named T and their family, and this guy needs your help, and it's not right. And he's like, this problem's not going away. He's not going away. He's like,
Okay, that was
you're
right,
not.
right there. That's fucked up that you're not helping. Like, who the fuck are you? Like, who are you?
Listen, if he called me someone from me like, yeah, but it's okay, hey, you pay me. Okay, what's up? You think okay?
This is a wrong example. Like, never have to do anything like that. You always
Because they're I am 63, and you are born. My point is that I have nothing to do with any of this craziness. I want to know who in my family owes somebody money. Because I'm going to go to that person and say, what's going on? And that's the next conversation I have with this person is going to be me. If it comes to it, they say, who owes money? Someone owes money. You give me a name. I'm like,
yeah, exactly. You need to take it. Where do you want? Who are you?
My mom doesn't know who these people are. Like that.
I want to know whoever this fucking person is, trying to fucking say shit or do whatever it is, your family, trying to harass your family, like it's getting me mad.
Well, I don't know. I don't know why they keep bringing up people I've never met. Yes.
That's why it's like, who are you? Number one, okay, you need something. Who are you then? What's your real name? What's your address? Who do you have a problem with?
Yeah, who in my family owes you money? They don't say the last name because I'm going to go to that person and tell them, if you owe this person money, what is that? And then they're going to tell them, but that's what we're talking. Not like, oh, someone's the last name Adelson. Okay, so that's like saying someone's the last name.
Calling your office and shit, like,
Yeah, someone's last name Rodriguez is like, you're a fucking person. I will go talk to, if it's my brother, who's the guy, I'm going to fucking find out. I'm going to talk to my brother, I'll find out if it's working. I don't piece of shit. So I'm saying, like, you need a name of who owes your friend family money. And this guy said to me, he said, listen, I was living up in Broward, you know, everything that went on.
I was helping him in Broward. I don't understand.
Yeah, something about
I was
Broward.
helping in Broward too.
I don't know if somebody's
The
talking
family
about.
member, but he said it's a family member.
He said,
That's what he was hard with.
he said, that guy is Kuko or whatever you call it. He said, I'm his brother. So he was with him up in Broward and told me everything that happened. That's exactly
Who
what he
was
said.
up with him in Broward?
I don't know what he,
That happened.
I don't know, he was visiting
Like,
down.
we need to like fucking like if people just be fucking googling shit or whatever it
Well,
is,
and
and
well, exactly, but the only reason I'm bothered calling you is because it's wanting to talk about you. Or if I just one person, then I'm feeling the world. The person doesn't matter, like it's all asking my fucking family, and I want to talk. When you meet someone face to face on the street, when you send them a letter, and then you start calling their office, the next call is the FBI.
exactly. No, I personally go there.
I don't want anyone to go to jail. Because you know what people get mad when they go to jail and they feel like it's something like that. See, when my kids got stolen, I don't even care who fucking told. I think sure, you know, my money back, it's stuff that got stolen, move on. I didn't want to actually got stolen, I got why? Grant that. I don't want to put anyone in jail and do what I do.
Okay, but you know what? If it's something he's fucking saying shit, then maybe he's getting information. Maybe he's writing something information.
They tell me who owes the money.
They're fucking psychic. What are you gonna psychic?
Yeah, I mean, okay, the families have lots of numbers. So what is the calling one? This is my problem. Who owes the money? And I will call.
And what's my name? Like, it's like, you know, you strike it and anybody say, do that. Like, if you call my phone back, like, I know there is this.
I'm just curious to see who's your family and what's going on.
That's why. It's like, that's why you're sending me off. It's like, why
So whatever you guys, their names, he says it's without a cover. So he wasn't talking about you, your name, and some other guy whose name is.
But here's the thing too much now. I don't even know what to say.
That's what I'm repeating to you what the guy said.
I know it's the first time.
But that's the only reason. I know.
You're playing repetitive and like, it's nothing.
The only reason I call here is because this guy's blowing you guys up, which has nothing.
I don't understand your people that fight for the city. I don't understand it. I don't think a freaking, a freaking Tahoe, a freaking, well, every place has a nickname. Like,
So that's, I probably got Simon or Sammy or I don't even know what it's like.
that is like a fucking white person's name.
But then I told my mom I told Simon, I'm not this Sam, it was, again, that's, I thought they were.
I was standing, I was like, oh, what's your last name? What is your address? So I can name your mother or something better. Or leave your mother in the freaking middle of the street.
That's
That
fine.
would be the next one.
That's fine. What's the problem? Because you just have to have a big problem.
He's gonna have fucking problem.
Yeah.
And I'm going, oh my god, I ain't no fucking one person. God forgive him that he fucking said the wrong fucking name. Because now it's my business.
Don't keep doing the next time reference.
Sorry, I hate that shit.
I'm waiting to give you.
I fucking fix it up for no reason.
You know, that is it.
I mean, I'm focused on all the way right here. Like, I gotta get my kids. I gotta see, I gotta find the garage, I have to go up, like, you know.
Okay, let me know, but I got that back. I'm still here, I'm probably going to be able to out.
Yeah, I mean, you're gonna be home, right?
Yeah, I'll be home, actually, by 7.
I'm gonna leave you halfway.
Nine. Okay.
I mean, that's why you come a lot of work anyway. I have a lot of shit that I have to go over.
Alright, yeah, I'm getting kind of views on my studio, we'll talk to it. But let me,
I just have to go to review.
I know, let me try to.
Next, we have a text message.
Yes, text message from Sigfredo Garcia to Katherine Magbanis.
And that's labeled MM. What is the content of MM?
He says, I called 3 times, no answer, and I did not leave a message.
Is there any evidence that anyone called 3 times to the undercover phone?
No, there's not.
And then we go to NN.
That's Katherine Magbanis to Charles Adelson at 7:49, that same date.
Right, and in case we've lost track of the date, that's going to be April 28th of 2016.
Correct.
Publish NN, please.
Kelly?
Hello?
Hey, what's going on?
Hey, call that number 3 times. The first time, I took on, my page in Spanish. And for some reason, I got voicemail that says, puto, yo, puto, is really like bitch. Like, oh, puto, like, why would you have that as your voicemail?
In Spanish, that was Chico?
The puto is like, puto in Spanish is just, puto. But supposedly that voicemail that they have set up, the guy says puto, what sound like puto.
And then what does he say on the voicemail?
Like it's something in Spanish. Like you read puto, whatever, and it's in Spanish. So he has a message in Spanish. Saying, what the fuck is this? You can fucking call me and stop breaking my fucking family. So, and then I'll be fine.
Yeah.
But then pick up. So now somebody either spoke because what the fuck is going on? Or, I don't know.
Alright. Well, that's good. That's good. The person's gonna.
Like all the things are like running in my head because it's like with the names you're saying and like maybe it's like somebody trying to like be like, you know, try to be an informant or something or whatever. Like, you know, there were so many things like going on.
Yeah, I think the same thing too.
But then it's like, yeah, but then, you know, people you trust and you can't. But then it's like, I don't know. I honestly, like, it's like aggravating me.
But even
I'm
if it
not
was,
gonna talk to me. Be quiet. So,
if it was all reading the newspaper and playing games. Then, like I said,
you're the wrong person.
yeah, and I don't know how the fuck they got your name, but they didn't use the last name, so if they,
Exactly, it could be anybody.
it could have been another G, another taco, or whoever the fuck they said, I don't remember the name. But the point is that they need to stop.
No, exactly. Well, I'm on the phone. Okay, I'm there. I'm on the phone right now. Don't talk to me right now. I was like, I'm fighting for right now. Like, you don't understand. Like, it's pissing me off. Like, pick up the fucking phone. Like, now, you want to do the phone? You want to drive, so you want to do the phone.
Yeah.
But one of the things.
Yeah, no, I got you with that. And I just, fucking call it,
Basically, he said, hey, you're messing with my family, and if you don't stop, then I have a problem. It's Spanish. So whoever it is, they're going to have a problem with us no matter what.
you got a problem with me?
So what?
You got a problem with me too? I mean,
Exactly.
listen,
Whoever it is, they're going to have a problem with either one of us, or even if, like, if I'm doing this or not.
dude, you're coming up to my fucking mom on the street. Then you're sending letters to their house, and you're fucking calling my dad's office.
The office.
And that's just like, that's
No,
three times, like,
like,
no.
she was missing. My friend was friend. I was like, look, can you do me a favor? Because it's like, I'm not a guy. I don't know if it's me you're talking about. And then he's like, that's all fucked up shit.
Yeah.
And I said, don't worry, like, no matter what, like, whatever it is, like, I'm gonna handle it. What's that?
So I feel bad. I definitely feel bad. I apologize for not going to get a Hallmark card, but I got a little something, so.
I'm just, it's like right now, I'm going like, I'm thinking about it, I'm like, I'm not like, you know, these guys, they're all punch, throwing the people out.
Picture yourself.
What do you think of somebody, I understand it, like, you for your parents, like.
Don't talk to my parents, like my parents are old. Like,
We
dude,
leave the rest, that's why, like, my parents are putting that part, I'm like, look, you understand it, imagine. So we leave it to my mom, we leave it to your mom, and that's when you have it on equity, like, I don't know what it is, I'm like, it's an English business, you know, but if they didn't mention your name, I don't like that. And it's gonna be handled. And that's not gonna wait for the other one out, they frustrating me. But
and
like,
there was no voicemail before, now there is.
now there is. The next profile is gonna be the freaking, it's not gonna be good either way. No matter what way it ends, it's not gonna be good for whoever is running around.
Because that's it. And listen, I don't want some.
I don't want any problems, I'm not gonna, like, look at this, I'm not thinking of somebody else's, you know? Like, I don't know what's going on.
And honestly, the last thing I want to do is
But the
have
boss,
some guy, the last thing I want to do is have some guy who's kind of, restore money, go to jail, and then feel like he's in jail with me. Like, no, like, fucking just leave us alone. I'm not looking to send people to jail. So that's not how I would like. I just think that it's gonna happen. This guy keeps doing that. The police will get involved, we'll get in trouble.
that's what, you know, especially, we get calling to be business, what's wrong with people?
Well, you can't be sending letters, you can't be showing up on the street.
Exactly.
Like,
I
we're
don't
not-
know.
you know, or it could be someone like thinking like, but the fact that this is it. The next step also I'm thinking is in a couple of days, I'll tell the person, hey, give me a name of someone in the family that owes you money, because I'm gonna pay with this. Give me a name. Is it my brother? Is it Robert? Like, yeah, and I will see that if someone owes somebody money, they will pay, but you gotta give me a name because you're talking to the wrong people.
Yeah,
Yeah, okay, I have cousins. I've got a huge family.
I gotta get in there, you know, this one, this year, and I'm very,
Do you want me to try to meet up with you, or do you want me to just leave it for you to pick up tomorrow?
yeah, if you can.
Do you want me to try to meet up with you?
I want to, if you can, but if you can't, I'll find you out here.
Okay, I'm just gonna work out. Just
And I
tell
know
me,
I'm trying to do because, like, I have to go on the street, but I have to,
go work out and call me, you know,
and I just have to work out, and I didn't do it.
do what?
And I'm going to have to work out, and I'm just, I have wait, 40 minutes time, 40 minutes time. Leave it like this, hold on, right? Don't ever let the one you talk, you know that, you know that is that. Okay.
Alright, hit me up. Me you or pick it up tomorrow.
Okay, well, I'll call you in an hour, just give it an hour.
Okay, call me now. Bye.
All right, then the next call we have is OO. Can you set that one up for us, please?
This is Charles Adelson to Donna Adelson at 9:47 p.m. that same date on the 28th.
Okay, please publish OO, and I've got a couple different clips because it's quite a long call.
Hey, it's
How are you doing?
good, good. Working out.
Okay. Have you loaded your plane?
Yeah.
So what happened this afternoon?
No,
After that?
but I did, I've run myself.
Yeah, okay. So tomorrow I was going to tell you this, actually Janice is checking it right now, and I'm finished, but she came up with a suggestion. I was telling her that tomorrow, my work is going to be I'm going to finish because I'm going to do the morning, festival. And so we have to be discussing from 7:30 to 10:30 and so they'll get to 10 or whatever.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So, then I should bring the kids to the courthouse on our way because I want to go up there at any time that I can actually, we're very secure about parking. Parking by the Riverside Hotel, I think they said, and parking, by, in a garage by Katani. And then it's coming back to the parking. So I said, just I don't know what to do.
So you're parking my house and take Uber?
Yeah, so that was her suggestion. She said, wait, Charlie has to park there and take Uber over and take them off. I mean, that's not do that.
That's a good idea.
Would that be all right with you?
Yeah, or you can take the limo. Actually, the limo's gonna fix.
Okay.
Because I was saying, let's take the limo and go
Yeah,
there.
that was the other suggestion. Even one way that they're always, what we're gonna get with the
Let me see, I can ask Alex to see the shop. Just-
well, it doesn't matter. You just take the, leave our car in the garage and take it to Uber to like go look at it. Fine. So I just realized that we may not be able to park there. So I bet we try to park.
Yeah, we'll go with the limo, just get dropped off and that's where we go.
Right, right. But, you know, but it's been fixed, that you can get parking spot. you
Yeah,
won't-
you do that, just park the house.
Okay, I just want to verify that.
Yeah.
So we're going to do tomorrow.
And with times.
Okay.
We're still different every day.
Yeah, well, we can, I got the buttons, okay, that's what we get for the button now. And come back here, see the kids, and go back up. If we go. But, yeah, I got to read from there, I can do that, okay.
Yeah, no, you know, there's nothing great. I think it's, I'm about, I'll tell you what,
If you're at this point, you suggest that we can come on, you go all the way down, all the way back, we check in.
there's no problem. I mean, I'll tell you right, I'm looking more hospital. So there's like zero parking guys coming out there.
I don't
Not
know.
so easy to come out. His wife, I mean, two wives. He was married 6 times, 10 kids, and 34 grandchildren, and like 10 great grandchildren. So, okay, but so I'll tell you something I see, but nothing new. And if someone, I'll tell you what I see.
Yeah, well, it's okay.
But I will tell you one thing. I'm about 99% sure.
That's what he's always saying. That's what he's always
Yeah, I'm 99 to, I'm 99% sure that's what it is. And I'll tell you why. The number one reason is this: too well spoken, no threats. And I made it clear, like, I don't know who these people are. Like, the person seems surprised. And he's like, really? I go, yeah. I'm like, I don't know who these people are that you're talking about. So, and then he took the route of like, you're going to take care of so-and-so, you're taking care of this family. I go, don't take care of anyone. I said, he left it with me to do the right thing. That's not language. That's when someone says do the right thing. I'm going to tell you something. Think about a high school, a high school fight or high school threat. Oh, I'm going to kick your ass after school. I mean, just that simple. I mean, listen, that's just how people talk. Your dog's just on the carpet. I'm going to kill him. I'm going to beat your ass. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I can talk like that about them. I need to smack your ass. Like, that way he hears the threat. Do you notice the one thing missing from everything? Never was a threat. Do you notice the one on that was, I mean, even if you don't mean, I mean, I'll say to Ben, I'm going to get your ass, you can me again. So do you know what I'm saying? Sure. Why that's not acting out? Because that's the first thing you tell someone. I'm going to beat your ass, or I'm going to do this, I'm going to break your legs, or I'm going to do this. Like, do you notice? Not one time. Like, even in five threat, like your health or your anything like that. So it's, just people go out. But no, I read everything. I am so sure that. And it makes complete sense. Even a couple of things. One, the timeline. 2 years later, I mean, you have to understand. They want, and listen, I had the information. I would talk. I would help out. I don't have it. But you got to understand. Without a question, I would be beyond shocked that the family doesn't hire their own private investigators. Okay, I would be beyond shocked. But really, what are they going to do? They're not going to be able to go knock on the door and go, hey, did you do this? Oh, okay. Just thought I'd stop by and ask. They have to come up with a plan that's going to stir the pot so that if there is something going on, like what are they looking to achieve? You got to say to yourself, what are they looking to get out of doing this nonsense? It's money on the shots, because the way you collect money is you go to someone and you tell them what you're going to do with that. You give them 48 hours and you tell them where to meet somebody who's going to drop it off. And if there's any nonsense, this is X, Y, Z going to happen. That's it. If you get one of us, someone else will take you out. Like it's done with such precision and being ruthless. Do you know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. So what happens is it squeezes somebody and they don't have a choice to think straight, and you just go and give them the money. You know what I'm saying? Like even if you're innocent, it's like someone saying, listen, I'm going to the board of dentistry tomorrow. Unless you walk into your office and write that check. I'm writing to the board of dentistry tonight when I go home, filing my complaint, and I will sue you tomorrow. I promise you, if you don't write that check back. It puts you on the fence real quick. And remember that lady who wanted the whole case, I don't want 100%. And she goes, I want the money for everything. And I said, we already believe it. I'll give you the money for whatever failed. And she goes, oh, now yeah. She goes, no, I want the money for absolutely everything. I already spoke to my attorney. There will be a lawsuit filed, a board complaint filed before the end of this week if I'm not able to pick up that check. Do you understand? And listen, I think work was fine. So we'll have to work, or have to work. So what can I do? Wrote a check.
the accusation.
So but that's what I'm thinking to myself. These people aren't looking for a check. They're not. What do they want to do? What's the one thing they want?
They know what they want. There's nothing wrong with it.
I got it, but they don't know that. So what do you think the one thing they want? They want everybody to start talking. They want you to hand deliver yourself. Because they think you know something, but they want you to hand deliver yourself and start talking as much as you can when you walk in. Because otherwise, if they were to just come to you tomorrow and say, I'm going to get the same result, but I'm saying, if the cops were to come to you tomorrow and say, Donna, come down to the station with us, we need to talk to you. You'd be like, I don't need an aggravation. Give me your business card. If I help you or hear anything, I absolutely will. Right? That's what the answer is. But if you go ahead and make it seem like, you're being extorted, blackmailed, or something crazy like that, then what are you going to do? You're going to run down there and start talking to yourself. Exactly.
It's like clever of them.
Do you know that?
It's clever of them.
Of course, these are not, first of all, this is not someone who started doing this yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
So this is not, this is not someone who's dumb. This is someone who's super smart. And they know this, a lot of times this is what goes on. There's someone coming up, but it's real odd that the amount of time that's happened is insane. I mean, like having a dental office do it. I need to pull out a case from 4 years ago. Let me turn over the collection. Like 4 years ago, how do you not realize that you weren't paying on big cases 4 years ago? I mean, none of the cases. That's why I think it's more that without the depth, there's the lack of threats. I mean, there's no threats. I mean, soon you'll be buffed. What does that mean? Someone's gonna write that review on Google tomorrow? You know, I mean, it's almost like they were afraid to say that they're afraid to, like, almost like they can't go, they can't do that, because once they do that, they're gonna cross lines that they themselves can't cross. So, you know what I'm saying? I just hope they don't go bother Wendy. Well, listen, if they do, I mean, listen, they bother us enough. If they bother anymore, they're not part of this going to police. They want to go to police too. And that's the other thing too, is like, when I first began, he said, you don't get the same thing for the you won't do that with Wendy. So I don't want to scare her. I mean, she was scared from day one. She's finally over being scared. And she heard that she would start herself. Absolutely. And you know the thing is, as long as that, everybody handles every situation differently. It's like somebody has a death in the family, and if they don't act devastated and everything else, well, doesn't mean that they have to be responsible for it. No, because everybody handles tragedy differently or confrontation. I mean, some people, it's like fight or flight. I mean, some people are confrontational, some people are having to stay, some people just start to back walk away, some people ignore it. You get, and none of them, and who's to say what's right and who's to say what's wrong? There is nothing.
But that's what my original feeling is.
Yeah, I don't want Wendy to then get stressed and not worry about her safety. So, well, it's funny. I called Katie, and I said, "Listen, I said, you're the only Katie I know. I know other Katies. But I know you a long time. I don't know if they keep referencing you." And I told her, if I'm wrong, and if they're referencing somebody else, if it is a common last name or common first name, I said, it's funny last name. And I said, if you're the wrong person, then I feel horrible that they're trying to bring you into this or whatever. But she told me she had somebody call, and the voicemail wasn't set up before, and then she called a couple times actually. She lost her number, she called a couple times, and then it was on and then the voicemail was set up, and it was in Spanish. So she has a friend of hers who left a message for that person. I think it was a guy that she had called. I don't know for sure, but I think the guy was not very happy, and let the person know it on their voicemail, and basically told them on the voicemail, basically you need to stop running about, or you're going to be having a very, 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 very big problem, and ask that person to give them a call. That's kind of the message I got this afternoon. And supposedly her friend is very angry, very, very angry. And the voicemail in Spanish, the person spoke to in Spanish, basically told the person that what they got coming to them and just call back if they didn't have a good word with them. So that's what I heard this afternoon. So but it's definitely, when I spoke to the person, it definitely has a New York accent.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, no, it's not. And then that person was the same voice on the voicemail. So I think that it's somebody playing games edition, because it's the same guy. It's not, and the person's doing an awful bad job of hiding who they are. You have to remember something too. Somebody's going to do something. They don't. When they come to you, they come to your hand glass. They don't want to do that. The whole thing I told you before, it doesn't pass the. If you look at, there's 15 different things from the language, the fact that there's no threats, the fact that the person's using devices that they can easily be traced to, the fact that the person's language. The last thing they said to me was do the right thing. That's to do the right thing. What is it, like stay in school speech? Do the right thing. The person wasn't angry. I mean, it was pretty calm talking to me. I was real nice to them. And I said, listen, the truth is, I'm trying to figure out what's going on. What's this about? But I don't, I think it's a bunch of nonsense. I don't want to scare Wendy. If they do approach her, then at that point, that will be
Okay. Let me let you go work out.
How do you find that interesting?
Yeah.
You find it a little interesting or not really?
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, I mean, it's not something you do the right thing. That's when someone's appealing to your sensitive, like how when someone you do the right thing, they say, come on, help me out. People, I mean, if they are who they say they are, they don't appeal to your good nature and say, come on, help me out. They want to get dialogue going. And I told them, like, you don't help anybody out that I know. And then we're not helping anyone out to bring up the boss of what he's called about. And he was like, you don't know who they don't know who these people are? He's like, I'm like, sorry. So, but the next thing will be, we'll see what happens. A couple days from now, if I have to, I'll reach out again to this person and ask them. Because like I say, I'm curious to know who from my family has this, whoever decides that he's saying he knows, spoke to. That's why I think it's awesome about this. Because No, I think it's what I want to know is, you know, I mean, obviously we have cousins, we have close family friends, we have, you know, I got a brother up in New York, but like, I wanted. Oh, no, I will reach out and if they show up again, but, you know, whether it's a letter or whatever, but the point is, somebody's getting paid a lot of money to do a job, right? So they're trying to investigate, how do you get the investigation going, you stir the pot of soup, and you see what comes up on the bottom. That's what legal costs. Well, if they're doing, if that's what it is, if they're doing, yeah, listen, you gotta put yourself on the other side. If this is your family member, you hire a private investigator, then you hire someone, or whatever they're trying to do is someone say, hey, let's see, listen, they got theories out there, okay? This is probably one of their theories, that someone in our family paid for something to be done, right? So if they paid, it would make sense that someone's come back and won. So let's either make up some sense, or make up some names, or do something like that, and see if all of a sudden it's, and listen, it's, you know, it's either A, bring them to the police, so they sit down, tell us what they know, which is fine, tell us, you know, or we go ahead and they all show up to claim the prize. They didn't have to go out and kick horse, they all showed up. It was really funny. It was like 90 people they worked up. It's a good idea to take the park up along the street. But if they go to Wendy, the purpose is like, I'm not stressing around, and she'll be the first one to do that.
Judge, should we have a stretch break?
We are going to have a break. The jury is available for taking the jury break.
Okay, RR, please.
Hey,
Hey,
your phone was weird. It was like, it was being on private phone.
yeah, it's weird. I tried to get up. You were there.
It's not like, I did. Alright, no, I was gonna tell you, like, I'll
And anyway,
I will have like, really less measures.
okay.
Okay. I have everything down. Like, I really got everything down. Like, I have it. Huh?
Yes.
Ready to get these or your house now?
Actually. So, maybe. So, anything else? Maybe? That work?
Yeah, good. Boring day.
Huh?
Boring. Yeah. I'm not boring to do that.
Yeah.
Listen, I
was
thought really hard. I didn't know what a married man with kids wants for his birthday, so I thought if I was married and I had kids, what would I want for my birthday?
A fucking dildo?
Exactly.
How did you do?
But I forgot to get, I didn't have time to get a car from Walmart to say exactly what I wanted to say, so.
I mean, never expressing yourself in a way.
I never did this, anyway. But anyway, I think I hit the nail on the head. With birthday party. I think I did that before.
Wow. So natural.
I don't know.
What was I gonna say? Like, I'm just like, I was gonna say something shit like, something
Yeah,
like,
I know the other day, that's what I did, somebody had dress.
oh, okay, because like, I didn't know my name is
So,
yeah. I mean, there we go. Is it a goal for me?
so tell me, call top right now.
There we go.
Are you good now?
Okay.
Okay, call me after you, do
So
it.
that's the number, answer. Okay.
Take your shirt off. Take your shirt off, read the number. Take your shirt off, so you can read the number. There you go down.
Oh, you're so stupid. You're so stupid. You know,
Wouldn't it be easier to just write on your hands, you want to get that read the
you're a
number?
fucking idiot. You just weird. I don't know, man. Sometimes, I don't know. Look at that.
I can be good looking, and I can be smart. That's just good looking.
So who did I lie about?
It's never been, let's be fair, good looking and smart.
Oh,
You
the
know,
race is going on. What the hell?
just make me good looking.
Let's watch now.
Right now.
It's raining. Wow. Is your camera funny?
It's not like,
Is your camera funny? No.
yeah,
Okay, well, no. I was trying to be freaking good with my nose and shit.
don't keep the ring.
Huh?
Don't keep
I think,
cameras everywhere. The ring,
dude, I'm fucking small.
What?
I'm small.
What's small?
I'm small.
The ring looks good, isn't it?
No, yeah. But the camera on me. Damn, you know what to come up? Just Ferrari over here.
Ferrari, you spent how much on the Ferrari? And you said it was a green car? Just think, you spend the same thing on a ring, you get your green girl. But you go,
Right. Why did you put it before I put it on you?
it's an air freshener.
Oh my god, no, what the fuck? So I wouldn't even know. I would think you were Ferrari, that would have been fun.
These are my fun. I guess, yeah, that's just what you need to do.
What?
From the Ferrari home, what they
Yeah, what was it? Did you double bag it?
Yeah.
Okay. How do I smell? Okay. Let me. Fucking Trump, what do you make it into something?
Should we do that?
No?
We turn it on.
What?
Okay,
Why?
open the door.
Why?
Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Cool. Okay. Did you open it? And then you open it again?
Hawaii, so what is it?
It's hard.
Doesn't want her on the sheet? Would you like to do that stuff? Who's the freaking home right now?
Oh, yeah. You want to work with the, just work with the outside and run the freezing machine. What's your home?
Or fucking trouble, whatever, but yours?
Look at it, gee. It's like badass. It's blue. You have a four-door.
Yeah, it's more.
Yeah.
Okay, what about fun one? Yeah, right. The fun one.
After all. You know my
Hmm?
You know my farm here?
I do regret. I had a fucking car. It was a great beach day. I didn't jump on your boat.
You think like that? That's why I also,
No, I'm never home, okay? I'm gonna even hand down. Sure, you're going to work, you know, I don't want to offend you.
do you want me to tell you my vote?
No, okay. I look for one in.
My phone, I can't see my three.
Now, you know what? I really wish you were available. I miss that part.
You think so?
Yeah. You know what I did? It's parents that have that kind of part.
I dropped it. I knew I didn't like that. Honestly, I pulled a few times people profiling that car.
Of course. But I remember one day you go in my office and you guys, how you doing? I'm just doing like fucking, you're like, whoa. Like, I'm heard things about you and I'm like, and if your hair was like, oh, I haven't got a haircut. You're like, I have no teeth. And I'm just like, yo, fuck you. I got to see my hair. Because I'm just not in teeth. And you're like, are you sure I'm down again? I was like, oh. Yeah. No, I gotta go back.
If you want to range, you have to turn it out. If you want to range, I think range is like $3,000, $4,000.
No, I already have my heart set on. That's what I'm going to get.
What do you want?
I want to get a free message.
Oh,
If I don't get that free, I'm going to get the fucking, the river. Like, I have my feet heart set on it. So.
yeah, I can take some lessons. Since that car was made, like before, like save money on the gas and shit, my bitch would get like 9 miles per gallon. I've never driven a car that bad on gas.
Oh, yeah. No.
Like, Nick, gas is like fucking, shit gas. So I use that. So, we'll figure something out. See what we can do about cars in the future. But, and just figure it out. Right now, it's nice to the car gas.
Yeah, no.
You talk to people, and the two biggest expenses they have outside childcare are house payment and car payments.
Oh, my shit. I think, you know what? Honestly,
Hey, can I call you? Hey, let me call you.
So here again is Charlie Adelson, friendly with Katherine Magbanis,
Yes, very.
and also friendly towards Sigfredo Garcia,
Yes, he was.
indicating he's got a birthday gift that he's procured for Garcia,
That's correct.
and offering Magbanis a Range Rover.
Yes.
I want to skip ahead to May 4th, 2016. Is there another final attempt at a bump?
Yes, there is.
Could you tell us about that, please?
A text message was sent from the undercover to Mrs. Adelson's cell phone at early in the morning, late at night, to 2:09 a.m.
What's the content of the message that was sent?
So the text read, "So you don't take me serious. You think I'm playing. You have some poop to call me to see if I'm for real. If you think what Katie, baby, daddy did for you can't come back, you're fucking crazy. I want the," there's actually leave a dollar sign there. "Now, or I'm going after the 100K, exclamation point."
And are there a few calls generated by that particular bump?
Yes, there was.
Could you set up SS for us?
Yes, it's the same day as the text message. Text message, like I said, was at 2:09 a.m. on the 4th. That morning at 9:08, Katie Magbanis calls Charlie Adelson.
Okay, so this would be right at the, like, oh, I see. So about 7 hours later.
Correct. About 7 hours later that morning.
All right. Thank you. For this one, we'll publish SS starting at 12:45, please. I think this call is going to follow up on the gift for Garcia. Is that right?
I believe it is. I don't believe they've talked yet.
All right, let's play SS.
It's in my telephone. Like, no, it's in my life.
So you had to open up the public space?
No. What?
There's a,
I'll open it here. What's here you go?
no, it's not like I put a fucking answer in there.
I'll keep it here. I want it in the light.
I got it for his birthday. He's been in there for 3 weeks and you're
You're an asshole. Okay, I gotta get.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. It was supposed to be a birthday present for somebody, if you know it's his birthday.
Can you please still going on still?
Okay, well, what if your baby pulled Rivera at the end of that?
I don't know.
Well, good luck and you can tell me. Something about the thing. There's a very nice gift card in there.
Okay.
If I think,
Fucking you know.
I don't know.
You know what he told me? Oh my god, that's so loud. Then he's like, well, they took him off the weekend because he took it out. They took him out for dinner and shit, whatever. No, for that, like, pardon. He told me, he's like, oh, you never get me pregnant. Because I need to set up a pregnant. You never get me pregnant. I'm like, well, you're not 10 years old anymore. Like, get over it.
So I got
I'm
it.
a fucking pregnant.
Well, guess what? I actually did.
Well, thank you.
So you're welcome. So open it up. If you think it's okay to get him, if you don't know, then give him a present, okay?
What fucking pocket pocket?
If you think it's not, then don't do it.
What pocket?
I just make sure the shit's in a safe place. I gotta run. Yeah, super late.
You gotta run. I'm fucking like, supposed to be in my
You just throw something water in the check. That's what.
I'm like,
Is that what you said?
Huh?
Yes.
what you doing?
I think you should put the water in the check.
I feel it everywhere. I'm like, oh.
So,
Oh,
that-
they don't like it.
All right, don't forget to look it up. Bye.
Oh, no.
Can we publish TT, please? Let me start at 4:55 on this one.
I got, he got drugs, he's fine. Let me start on it. And if you don't think it causes anything, you can tell us from maybe, when you open up the president.
Okay.
Very important.
You carrying out for that? I'm gonna go to the I'm gonna open it out before. I don't know. You carrying me?
Was it in your car or was it in your house?
I don't know. Like, I did it.
Well, go up and look what's in there. And tell me if it's okay for us to work present.
Okay.
All right?
What is my birthday present?
We get nothing.
All right.
All right, that's off later. Dude, I got tickets to the concert.
I know. Thank you. I like to thank you.
Where's the night? It's not your birthday day. Wait, you wait.
Whatever. Yeah, so I did it.
I would feel
If your
that.
other daughter, if your daughter is birthday next month.
Oh, yeah. I got all these people that want me to adopt.
No, well, you already know my kids.
I got like 60-year-old women all over that saying, "Where's your kid?" They got her they go, "You're top eight." You get bothered, they are. Fucking crazy. Yeah, Scotty wants to see these out. I don't think people like that.
I don't see it. You don't adopt me. Adopt me.
I feel the love.
You're the godfather.
All right.
Right.
Thank you.
And that one, we've got Charlie Adelson mentioning that he purchased concert tickets and a limo for Katherine Magbanis.
Yes, ma'am, he did.
And Magbanis refers to her own child as Charlie Adelson's godchild. Is that right?
She did.
Okay, let's play You, please. This one, give it 10:30.
Almost a payback and everything like that. And people were able to get their money landed when they do that.
It's very interesting.
So that's really how people make a lot of money using other people's money. To make it.
Oh, sure. It's a good way to do it.
So we'll see. I mean, I would say if you track record for 2 years, it will not be a problem with capital at all. So
That's what it is. Yeah, it's good stuff. So you're going to have it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
so is everything else okay? Yeah, it's pretty insane.
Today.
Yeah, I figured it, yeah. Did you see somebody today, or was it,
No, it's different, but I'll see what Sunday looks like.
you don't want to come down and see me tonight?
No.
Was it bad, or was it,
No, you don't see Sunday. I'm sure yours.
I know, like, I gotta talk to you, like, you know, when I talk to you, not just like corporate responses.
Yeah,
Like,
sure.
it seems like it's other, like,
Yeah.
don't bother me.
Not yet.
I think they're wrong.
Okay.
Well, I think it's important, you see me before Sunday.
Well, very happy to do this tomorrow. Daddy got tomorrow, so they can get a chance. He's happy to go to the dinner. You know, people.
Well, I mean, in the afternoon, I haven't texted, I haven't texted him yet. I'm supposed to meet him at some point. It's just, I mean, I can tell you at any time, if you want to go up to my house and whatever.
That would be a good idea.
Because I'll tell you what, I don't want to wait,
Yeah, I agree.
and then you wait, and something that could have been, if there's one early, becomes, something that doesn't get about early, and then, so it won't have control.
Yeah, I think tomorrow, we're up on it. So, what we got? We can make people just up and around. You want me to show you the breakfast charge? Yeah. You want us to come to you, right?
Well, traffic, I could, let me find out.
Check your schedule and then we'll work something out, okay?
Yeah, let me do that, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Sounds good.
Was,
Let's discuss that once you check
I
it
think it's better than it's early.
Yeah.
I don't know why you wouldn't follow it up.
Just right. Let me talk to you tomorrow. We figure out your schedule. We're free until, so we got kids, so we'll talk around, but that's about it. But, it's another error.
Okay, circling back to the Garcia birthday present, that was being discussed, I have it on a couple different dates, but in April of 2016. Is Garcia's birthday in April?
It is.
April 27th?
27th, that's correct.
Okay, thank you. All right, now back to our calls. Let's go to the next day, May 5th, 2016. So now Donna Adelson has informed Charlie Adelson about the phone text, right?
She avoided there was something that happened.
Right.
Correct.
And so do we have Charlie to Katie next?
That's correct.
All right, publish VV, please.
and I get you in. I could get up on, I don't know if you time, I'm just hoping that call me. It's cool.
Well, what's that mean about it? It's better.
I get it in my time, it's in the morning.
Bless you.
Keep it as a I'm not really like the thing. No, no. It's always part of that, you know, it's like living.
So I'm on my way to Canada right now to, just meet my parents or talk to me.
All right, that one. Even for us, it's too torturous. Let's do WW, please.
Hey, Charlie.
Hang on right now.
Good, honey. How are you doing?
Good, I'm coming across the bridge now.
Oh, okay. Okay, wonderful.
She's only one, I really want to come down.
You know, what you outside? I can walk you through it.
Sounds good.
Okay?
I'll be soon.
Okay, I got it. All right.
Okay, XX, please.
Ma'am.
Huh?
Go.
What? Oh, you going? Yeah. Not that I was so bad, I don't know. No, we're saying that I don't know. Okay. Yeah, I'm like, I don't know. I'm not going to okay. Yeah, so I'm like, looking around. Then I'll tell you, I get in the next one, right? So I'll tell you, we go. Next, I'll be doing it. You started bringing, and you got it. Just, when I have to just, just on that thing, so it's been happening. Okay?
All right, so everybody's waiting to find out what this next thing is that Mrs. Adelson's got to say.
That's correct.
Play YY, please.
Hey, let me call you a little bit, okay? I need to call you some landline. My friend Adam's place in Miami. They're down the game, so I'll probably call you some landline.
Right. Can you know?
Okay. Yeah, fine.
ZZ, please.
Okay, well, like, I my mother's like, I don't even know where he is.
Just with the monkey bars.
Yeah, probably him, right? Okay, just give me a quick recap of like what exactly on that.
And I'm not asking you to do anything about it. At all.
Come on.
Can you pause it for a moment? I might have this a little out of order. Has the meeting already occurred at the Adelson's condo?
Yes, ma'am, it happened.
Okay, I'm sorry, I had that out of order. When did that happen?
That happened after he made the call saying he was
Hey there, thanks for stopping in. We hope you will join us again. We all look forward to next time. We get to talk about true crime. Clues. Justice served in an honest fight. True crime tales till the verdict's right. Solving more than just trivial quests, where sentences rule and the defense rests. Our true crime family is great. All types of topics we debate. Smash that like and ring that bell. Hit subscribe, you might as well.